La, 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 la.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the boyfriend does my makeup tag, and as you can see, we already did his makeup on his channel, which I don't know, I haven't seen anybody actually do this except for like Jeffree Star. So I'm kind of...
And I like girls.
Yeah. I'm so lucky.
And I'm wearing a Super Bowl shirt. Super Bowl shirt.
But I wanted him to do my makeup, and I wanted to do his makeup probably since we started dating. And the only other person who's ever done my makeup is my friend Matt, who you guys have probably already seen. My husband does my makeup video. So now we're gonna be doing this one, which I'm pretty excited about. So stay tuned. I can't wait to see what he picks out. I gave him a lot of options, but not an overwhelming amount of options in my opinion. So we'll have to see how you do. You have a pretty basic, like you have like no knowledge, right?
None. I watched a video last night on how to do something. Don't know what it was.
You probably don't remember it, now do you either?
I actually do. I have a good memory.
Do you? Okay, alright. Well, here we go.
Well, this is what you did for me.
Oh, a little. It goes a long way with that stuff, but okay. And it's like $40. The prices, anytime I watch these videos, this is so weird. Literally one other person has done my makeup in my whole life. Just one.
No, it's fine.
It's really rough.
I lift weights sometimes.
Not today. That's where you should go, to the gym.
This would be fantabulous.
Mm-hmm.
Get in there.
No,
get on there. Get on there. This is how you properly apply whatever this stuff is.
Hurts. You're a little aggressive.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm going with this.
This is the BH Cosmetics L'Amour palette, I think it's
BH Cosmetics Glamorific.
That's not what it says.
I don't know what it says. It says Glam Perfection or something.
Glam Reflection.
This one.
Okay.
Let's make you more white. Close your eyes. Softly.
I'm so scared.
Softly. One eye's gonna be pink and the other one's gonna be blue.
I'm not doing not Harley Quinn. I actually, wait, hold on, I did want to show you. I brought this one in case you
wanted to do the Harley Quinn?
No, but just in case you wanted more options.
Oh, we're golden. Where's purple?
You got all the options.
Alright, I got it.
That's so much. Okay.
I tried to take... I don't know how that works. I don't want to hurt something. Alright, we got this.
Oh, that's sweet. This palette is only $10.
Me. We're gonna go lighter inside, darker outside. This is what we're doing here.
You're going real hard.
I don't know how to.
You're going really hard.
Just let it happen.
I'm really scared.
You don't just palm people's heads when you're doing their makeup?
No.
I'm in it to win it. You gotta stay still. I'm in it. This is funner than I thought it would be.
Tell the people how you're blending.
I'm blending this inside.
Such a win though. Most guys don't even know you're supposed to blend.
The inside's gonna be red and the outside's gonna be purple because purple's my favorite color.
That's a discussion. Did I do that to you? No. Lord, I was way.
You look phenomenal.
I was way too nice to you. I'm scared now.
Don't be scared. Is that purple?
Yeah, this one's purple. Let me get you the other one. You'll like it better anyway. I don't want to stifle your creativity. I'm not going anywhere after this, by the way.
Yes, you are.
Not like this.
Yes, you are. Don't look. You can't look.
I really might, like, I'm gonna take your inspiration and make a better version of this look.
Oh, shit.
Do you know where the eyeliner is?
Yeah, it's right here.
Good job.
Is this the right brush? Looks like the right brush.
Sure.
That was a question.
I'm not supposed to help you.
You don't
That's
have
the part of the thing.
Whatever. This is what the girl at work looks like. You can't laugh. Stop it. You're ruining my life. Don't look.
I'm not looking, don't worry.
I don't know if this is how you fix this, but we're gonna try. Oh yeah.
Lash me up.
I got you.
This one I don't care about. Step it, whatever. And dry. Like you have to let it kind of stick first.
Okay, we'll go on this one. Oh, that makes sense. You know what you're doing!
Oh, it's like, well, I'm a professional. That hurt. This one I need. We gotta be careful with that eye. My bracelet came apart.
Now we are going to just highlight everything.
That is it! You got it! Just highlight until, fake it till you make it. You know what I mean?
That's the, oh, we do this.
Do we?
Is this the, that's not the color that we need.
God.
Where's Pale? Where's Casper at? I don't even know what I'm doing.
Me neither. I don't know what you're doing either.
Do I just like put it on here?
Mm-hmm. Just do not cross-contaminate.
What?
That's why I don't use it right on my face.
Oh. Gillette, don't put your shirt today. Alright.
Okay.
Let's get in here. Get in there.
I'm just gonna ask a question real fast. Did you read the bottle?
No. What is it? Oh, I thought that, where's the foundation? Remover! Is this it?
Well, I'll just let you figure it out. Which color do you think is mine?
The paler one.
Okay.
This is not going as
pull
well.
it off.
Oh. This is not going as well as we thought it would.
We?
And by we I mean both of us.
Jay thought it was gonna go super well.
What's up,
You're
girl?
using your finger.
I don't care. I'm over it. Excuse me. Oh, I need to get that purple off there.
There's purple on my cheek.
No, look this way. Simba. Alright, let's use this guy.
Yeah, use that guy.
Alrighty. You look so nice. You should do your makeup all the time.
Whatever soap I use smells great on this sponge.
Whatever I did was phenomenal. It's just oh look, fixed it. Fixed it. Let's get a little bit of that chin there. Let's get in that nostril. The face of absolute terror.
I'm really enjoying myself.
Look up. Do I? This is what I used to. Do I do this on your face?
Do you?
I don't fucking know. Do I do this with my finger? I'm gonna do it with my finger because I don't care. Alright.
I provided you with tools.
Where's that little brush? Where's the little thing?
This?
There it is.
It's a little dirty.
I don't give a shit.
You might want to mix his colors.
Nope. I'm in it. In it. Like an eraser. White out, if you will. Except it's not whiting out. Looks a little better. Looks a little better. That looks fine. That's perfect. We're good.
Okay.
We're golden on that one.
Alright.
I watched her do this one time, so we're gonna...
So basically I'm an expert because I watched her do it once.
Well, that beginning might be a little sketch. Might be a little sketch.
I feel like you have a heavy hand.
Well, I'm big. Why'd you call it a spoolie?
That's what it's called. It's called a spoolie.
Girl, your eyebrows look nice. Interessant right there. Interesting. 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 This is hard.
Is it? Is it hard?
Why is it so hard?
Is it hard?
Just gonna make you look super unimpressed.
Oh.
I don't know how eyebrows are supposed to look, so.
You really don't know how eyebrows are supposed to look, really?
I have no idea. I would honestly say those eyebrows don't look bad. They don't look bad.
You have low standards.
I know, but they don't look bad. I'm gonna say they don't look terrible. Like I've seen worse.
Do they match?
No, but.
How does it look so far? Let's see. Oh my, what happened to this wing? I can't really see it. What happened to this wing?
Nothing happened to it. It looks beautiful. Go now. All right.
No, what are we doing
Let's hit
now?
this highlight right quick though.
All right. Highlight fixes everything.
You know what fixed everything?
Why'd you close it?
Because we gonna bake a little bit. We gonna bake
You're
a
gonna
little.
bake and then put highlight on.
No, I said we were gonna highlight and then bake. Reactions is what I go for. So put it right here. Put it right here. And let's put it on the other side. Right on that apple of the cheek. Let's put some on your chin.
It's fine.
No, I'm just kidding.
I do a little bit on my chin.
Put it right here. Simba. Put some on your nose. Alright, so let me think. Let me ponder.
Oh, so we're leaving this the way that it is?
No, I'm gonna blend it. I just don't. There it is.
I use this to blend your foundation.
Okay.
They're two different colors.
I don't care.
How's it look?
Phenomenal. What else would you expect? I'm just saying, my blending skills are phenomenal.
I've never blended this with a brush, but I don't hate it. So, good job.
You know what we're missing out on? Nothing, because you look phenomenal.
Thank you.
Like I might actually talk to you at the bar if we were.
I wouldn't talk to you.
Just this part
If
looks.
you came
This
and talked
part
to
looks
me, I'd be
interesting.
like-
This part looks. I'm gonna bake you here in a minute, bro.
You don't know what you're baking.
No idea. No idea. We're gonna do it. I'm just following the preset you put for me. Right underneath that.
It really doesn't work if you don't know why you're doing it.
That's not how life works. Excuse me. I don't know what I'm doing.
I know.
I accept it.
You said you were going to be good at this, remember?
Okay, so
That you were going to do as good as I do? Yeah.
I'm just gonna use the same brush. I don't care.
I brought a whole arsenal.
Oh my god. We'll use this big one.
Okay, for the highlight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go with some sunburst and some bronze. Just be weird. Screw it. Making a turn. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going with the flow.
You know this is highlight, right?
I'm highlighting everything. I want you to. You're a superstar, so you highlight my life. Now we're using the Z palette.
They're all Z palettes, babe, but you just put stuff in them.
Shut up. You look like an African tribal warrior. Turn the other way.
Sorry, I just wanted to see the camera.
Don't look at the camera.
I wanted the camera to see what you were
The camera
doing.
doesn't need to see anything.
That's why we're recording it.
The camera don't need to see anything. So beautiful. So beautiful. We'll use a big brush then.
Sure, use whatever brush you want.
Stay still.
So aggressive.
I couldn't do it because I get frustrated.
You and every other girl out there. So many girls can relate to what you just said. Oh, right up my nose.
Just let it happen, okay?
Ow! You're pulling off my lash.
Nuh-uh, the lash is fine. It's working. Stop. Just let it happen.
It hurts.
It's a soft brush.
You're punching me. When in doubt, blend it out.
Bro, I'm saying like that looks nice. I'm telling you, that doesn't look bad. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna.
You still have to do blush.
No, I don't. Alright. So right on there. Go on, kiss. Give me a kiss. Just right there on there. Right there. Right there, right there. Right. Right there, right there. Right there, right there. That's so pretty. Your face is turning red. I don't get it.
Do anything underneath my eyes.
I don't want to do anything underneath.
You do
That's
anything
fine.
glitter, nothing fun.
I don't want to do anything fun. I'd put it as purple and...
Okay.
You better wipe it off.
Why are you so weird?
Alright, let's... Might be underneath. Oh shit. Look at my finger. I was in it. I was in it to win. It's terrible. Oh, it's not on your teeth.
Am I done? Is that it?
Nope.
Do it.
It's gonna stay there forever.
Do it.
No. You don't have to.
I was gonna let you because that's the primer spray, it's not the setting spray. Is this it? Are you done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh Lord, have mercy. Oh my God.
She looks phenomenal.
What happened?
It started out really good.
Did it? Is that how my eyeliner looks on a daily basis?
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't do bad on the face except for you forgot to do like half of it, but...
I was going for more of a natural
A natural look? You were going for a natural look? Are you sure? Man.
All the players?
Yeah, well not all of them obviously because there's 52.
Hey. Hey. You don't gotta be scared. It's okay.
Stop.
Nobody's gonna hurt you.
I know I look more weird than anything. Thank you.
I got you. Alright guys, this is it. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.
That highlight is on fleek.
The highlight's not bad.
The highlight's on fleek.
I don't know if...
That wing is...
I might try to recreate this look, but like...
Better?
Yeah, like a better version. If you want to go see me do Jay's makeup, go over to his channel to see that. I'm going to put a link down in the description below. And
maybe even on the YouTube card.
Maybe.
Over there?
Maybe. I don't know.
Over here? Over there?
Maybe. And I think that's it. I think Jay's going to go out in public now.
My videos.
Me, not so much. I think I'm good. I have a reputation to uphold, so people book me and pay me for this, so I don't know about all that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being such a good sport. You're awesome. I love you. You're great.
I'd give you a kiss, but I want purple lips.
Did Matt finish? That's weird. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time, and be sure to go subscribe and like and all that stuff, and go subscribe to him because he's kind of cool sometimes. He does fun stuff, so.
Bring the energy. Bring the...
Yeah! Not that kind of energy.